Hi guys, today I'm going to be solving, another cube challenge, and today's challenge is going to be solving this Rubik's cube into the super flip, which looks like this. It's just all the edges have been flipped. I've flipped all 12 edges. So let me go on here and scramble this up. Okay, let's get started. There. Alright, wait. There. So it's just flipped all 12 edges. You can see they're flipped. And yeah. And if you did this challenge, and you wanted to get it back, you don't have to scramble it up and solve it normally. You can just do this. And do what I did at the start. And it should solve it. Like that. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and till next time, see you later.